looking, picking when I really get to clicking, but I'm looking for a sister to revive and when I kiss her. If you want some melon, just let me know.
So here I have a video of me driving, and then I have a video on the left of a screenshot of the XYO app as I'm driving to kind of see. On the very left, I'm running it without any Sentinel whatsoever. Right next to it, I'm running it only with a Sentinel. The third video, I'm running it with the Coin Plus app. And the very right video, I'm running the Pro plan. Now, and that's just the rewards you get from mining from the Coin app. You can also earn a ton more XYO coin from doing many other things on the app, like getting background rewards, geo drops, getting big geo mines, watching ads on the app, get geo claims, get referral rewards, get bonus drops, get hodl rewards, get shared Sentinel rewards, and they seemingly keep on adding more and more stuff.